Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to Iron Tight. Welcome back to Iron Tight. I am your boy AJ. I'm the IT guy on the IT. That is that Iron Tight. Here we are, 1 month after the accident. I haven't been on the Warrior much since that accident happened. That some of you might be a little curious as to how the Warrior is doing since the accident. You know, little common questions like, what happened to this channel after all of that? For the most part, look, check this out. I got everything in order on the motorcycle except for the gas tank. The motorcycle is still running. I'm still up, still out here working, and the channel, as you can see, has not stopped since. There's a reason for that. Like, it's primarily because I just don't quit like that. It's just not in my nature. That's number one right there. I'm not a quitter, so therefore here we are, still working, still out here making content for you guys. But as far as how I feel about cycling at this point, I'm still pretty much into it. That's not going to change anytime soon. So for those of you who said that I might as well go ahead and drop dead because I didn't know how to emergency brake, yeah, you can go actually go f yourself. It's been 1 month since the accident, a little over a month. It happened on September 11th. The day is now October 19th, and I have been doing a lot of tweaking and fixing and all these other things. I decided that I'm going to fix the bike. We're going to body fill all of this because the dent puller obviously didn't work, but nobody was shocked at that. But I don't have the ability to go in through the gas tank and poke the dent out with a rod or anything like that. The Warrior was actually sitting still for a while. The battery had died in it. I believe that this thing here, because I had it directly plugged into the battery and not like some kind of accessory switch or something like that, or relay or whatever, like, I believe that may have killed the battery. So I unplugged that because, well, you know, I like my bikes to be working. I got on the bike today so I can run the gas up and make some space so I can fix this fuel tank. I want to be working with power tools and whatnot, so I didn't want to waste any fuel doing it. So therefore, I had to do what I had to do, and that's not unsettling at all. Just to make, like, imagine that thing just falling over while I'm sitting right beside it. That would be insane, right? Because I saw that guy's, I saw his craftsmanship, so I think I'm good. His strap seemed to be holding pretty well. I'm going to be fixing this baby up. We're going to be filling it in and doing all these intricate methods of fixing the dent in the side of the gas tank. I do plan on still having the bike set up for riding season next year. She riding just a little funny now that she's been sitting down for a cool month and a half. I do have a little imbalance in the forks. Man, it's a nice day out here today, and I want to get this riding season down. I want to be able to get some miles in, but man, so I do want to talk to you guys about something. I'm heading back home now, so I don't really have much to say in this video. This is probably going to be a short one. I have made a decision to go ahead and get me a sports bike. However, I'm not really sure which one I want to get at this point. I don't know I've been looking at a few things. I definitely want a sport bike, but I don't want a super sport. I think I want to first get a beginner bike to kind of ease myself back into the groove, into the swing of things. So I want to definitely go like the Ninja 400 route. Maybe I might not actually get the Ninja 400 because of the fact that I just made a video clowning it, so that might not be an option. Maybe something like the RC 390, maybe. Well, you know, CF Moto 450 SS, maybe. I don't know. I'm kind of torn right now, so I'm like in the market for a beginner bike, but just kind of perusing, tire kicking at the moment, just to see what's out there. I want you guys' opinion on it. What kind of bike should I get if I want a beginner bike? Like, what do you guys think is the king of the beginner bikes out there? Because I believe, you know, I'm still biased to Kawasaki because of the Ninja 400. That was my very first ever bike. I didn't own anything before the Ninja 400, hadn't rode anything before the 400, so I'm definitely biased towards the Kawasaki brand in a whole. So there's that. I'm not really a fan of the R3 because I don't think that the R3 is I don't think it's strong enough, in my opinion. Like, I really don't. Like, it's like what, 349 cc or something like that. I'm not really a huge fan of that. The 450 SS, I've been looking at it a lot because of the little nice little TFT display and whatnot. So I've been kind of eyeing that. What is it? The Aprilia 457 or something like that. Like, I've been looking at that as well. Bikes just like that, like just beginner bikes. I want a beginner bike, something that I can flick around, like I said in the Ninja 400 video. I just want something that's cheap, that I'm not going to pay an arm and a leg for, and that I can ride when I'm not about to hop on this big cruiser. You know what I mean? Guys, give me your opinions on that. I'm open to suggestions. I'm open to criticism. Like, give it all to me. I can take it, obviously. It got a lot of heat for that Ninja 400 video, and some people don't even understand that. Like, I'm a huge fan of Kawasaki. Like, I'm not even against Kawasaki. I just don't understand why the Ninja 400 got to be left behind like it's the redheaded stepchild. I'm just saying. But the Ninja 400 isn't necessarily the only option out there. I just want to know what it is out there that you guys are gravitating towards as far as beginner bikes. And despite the wreck, I want to put it out there that I'm not a beginner. I just want a beginner bike because of a few reasons. One reason being that I want to have a beginner bike in my arsenal for when I start doing rentals. I want to be able to have a range of things, and I don't plan on ever getting rid of this bike that I'm going to get. So keep that in mind as we make this decision. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and tell me about your experience on your bike. Tell me which bike you guys started off with, and let's go from there, man. I want to hear it. I want to hear you guys' opinions, seriously. Also, another reason why I want to get a second bike, for the most part. I want to be able to ride something a little less beefy, you know what I mean? You guys know what to do. Go ahead and swerve all over that like and subscribe button. Let me know how you feel about this video and the content, and let's go ahead and talk about that, man. Let's go ahead and have that conversation and discuss what bikes we are all riding. You know, I'll let you know which bike I plan on getting in the next year or so, and it'll be gravy. We'll talk about it. So with that being said, folks, you guys know who it is. It's your boy AJ. I'm the IT guy on the IT. Stay safe, 10 toes down. Love you guys. Peace out.